Hello everybody, this is Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? How's it hanging? Speaking of the last video, I got a new package. I already know what this is, since delivery on these are really quick, and I'm trying to open this up without, well, there went my pen. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, that's peppery already. 2 bottles in a row here. I've actually ordered some of these are ones that I've had before, but these ones are two new ones. Dick's Caribbean Dream Bajan style mustard based hot sauce, which might be interesting, and the Plum Reaper, another torchbearer sauce. And as I said, there is a couple that I've had before, and I've ordered more of the same, really, because here they are, 2 Scotch Bonnets Hellfire. The one that I have is almost empty, so I have 3 bottles right here. And another small package. Which was heavy. Yep. Now we see if I can open this little one. Which was easier than expected. Got a couple more new ones here. Hellfire Chocolate Cherry Hell. Sheba Gold, which is going to be interesting, and Hotter Than Hell 24 karat gold, and 2 of my favorite hot sauce, the shawarma sauce. I'm actually giving one away to one of my brothers. Sorry about this, guys. I do have a lot more. And another one that I do have here, which is almost empty too. The Headless Horseradish. So there's not a lot of new ones. There's a couple of new ones, and one of my favorites as well, Purple Haze by Hotter Than Hell. I know that I have it here. This one is almost empty. So there's a lot of new ones here. Hotheads Scotch Bonnet, since I do like the Scotch Bonnet one. Scotch Bonnet Pepper. And Hotter Than Hell Mango Habanero. So and the last one, Hotter Than Hell 1901 Roasted Red Ale Hot Sauce. So yeah, that's about it. A couple of new ones and a couple of old ones, which I've added to my list. Well, so yeah, comment below what you think. You can like and subscribe, and if you want to support the channel, you can buy some merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.